There, look at him. Look at him prepping to attack. You guys, what are you doing? Why are you all up on it? You going to attack or what? Look at the baby. Are you going to beagle? You going to beagle? No? Just want to eat your face. Just want to eat your face. Do it. Get angry. Woo! Focus. Focus. Hey, what are you doing? There's no one out there. What are you doing? I'm gonna eat your face. I'm about to eat his face. I just had some freaking chicken noodle soup and shit. My mom's crazy as shit. Like, she gonna tell me this hot, and then she gonna touch it. I'm like, why the fuck you gonna touch it if it's fucking hot? And she gonna poke it. She poked the fucking tea thing, and it's like burning hot. Then she gonna talk about some ouch. Yeah, man. Damn, she took the fucking label off. But this is odorless garlic capsules in here. But if you ever sick and you want to kill a cold, I should have took it like yesterday or 2 days ago when I got sick. That's why I get so pissed when nasty ass motherfuckers don't cover their fucking mouth. Even if you're not sick or whatever, some people some people don't get sick and can't be a carrier. Like, cover your nasty ass mouth. But yeah, just odorless garlic. It kills that shit. I boiled chicken noodle soup in like a pot, let it boil, and just add 1 capsule in there, or you can add 2 or 3. But the more you put in there, you know, the quicker it's gonna. I can't take all that. That shit is like, it's too strong. I mean, you can use it in ramen noodle soup and shit too. You can put the odorless garlic in ramen noodle soup too. But that shit is great. It's salty as fuck. They said don't add water, but I gotta add water. That shit is too salty. It's salty as hell. Yeah, you can put it in your ramen noodles too. You can put it in your regular food. You can just, like me, I drink like green tea, which I'm about to do now. I'm about to have me some green tea. And I'm gonna put a capsule or 2 in there and mix it with lemon. Yeah, I forgot to put raw onions in my soup too. That helps it. But oh man, fucking telemarketers, man. This is some crazy shit. Please don't let him fall off. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god, dude. $1? Yeah. What the fucking shit? I got fucking pissed, man. This nigga should not drink or do anything, nigga. Money bag. Long night out at the club with niggas. Oh, pickles. What the fuck? Is he gonna be okay? He should be alright. He ain't died yet, so. This nigga gonna make me piss on myself. You need it today. Can you get it tomorrow? We're gonna be in DC tomorrow. Can you get it tomorrow? I don't even know if I make that shit home. We're gonna be in DC tonight. Oh, shit. Oh my God.
I'm missing something.
What the fucking shit?
I'm missing.
Oh my God, pickles! These motherfuckers. It's like what? 7 in the morning. How can this nigga be that out of it?
Man, he's not even awake right now. Yo, can you grab this onion shit and throw it outside? I've seen him worse. Throw that onion shit outside.
Onion. Yo, what's up? Yeah, still sick. I've been sick for I think is going on like a week or some shit, man. Bottoms up.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.